Good day, everyone. Alice here from Sophie Financial Network. January 18, 2023. Here is the Apple chart with our latest position with Apple. Just want to give you an update. So we shorted Apple through put option. And nicely, we are in the money just because we retraced back, Apple price retraced back to here. And this is the typical reaction to the trend line and to this demand area and to this wide range bar, which is breakout candle, and this breakout candle for this consolidation is going to be nice opportunity for short. Also, if you zoom back and you see here's the trend line that is going extended all the way to here, so this is a breakout trend line and coming back up for the back test. And again, if you want to just follow my analysis yesterday, I mentioned why I got into this position just because market generally is going down. So I was expecting market is going down. This is a nice 50% Fibonacci level. Everything is coming along together for short position. However, I thought that probably we got into more stretching to the upside. So that's why I got with put option, not a stock trade or short trade. However, we are nicely into the money, and I'm expecting prices coming down probably 112 to 119. That's going to be for months of February, and for months of March, I'm expecting a 90 to 100, and that's going to be the low for the Apple in 2023. And we'll see how it goes, but that's going to be good. A good sell-off for Apple, and that's going to be good buying opportunity if you want to buy Apple. So that's going to be very nice buying opportunity for you folks, especially this one is coming along with this trend line. Just please look at my previous analysis yesterday in Apple. I put a link here, and you will follow up with that one as well. Some more information is coming along with this stock. Going to hourly chart. Here is the hourly chart, and nicely we are gapped up today. So this is a very nice price action. When you see something like this, so this is a level that I point out. Apple, I was expecting a nice rejection, but today Apple gapped up nicely all the way, engulfed this area, and everyone thought that that's going to be pretty nice breakout to the upside. And to be honest, I thought that that's going to be breakout, but because I had put option and the option expiry is for March, and I knew that Apple is going to reverse probably a day or days sooner or later, it's going to reverse. I was not worried about anything, but nicely just an hour after that, Apple fails to hold up above this breakout, and the next 2 hours after that, so Apple just came to the break even and finished the day in negative territory, especially we are getting close below this trend line. So this trend line has been close below this, and this is very nice selling opportunity. And when you see something like this, so it's exactly something like this. When you see a breakout to the upside, but it doesn't hold pretty much and fails to hold above this breakout and coming down, and look at the downside afterwards. It's coming sharply to the downside, and this is exactly the same thing. When you have something like this and it cannot hold above this trend line, again, look at that. So we are going down, the next day gap down, going back up to fill this gap. When this gap is being filled, and we are getting back to the bearish momentum, and bearish momentum continues to the downside. So right now, again, the same thing. So we are gapped up, gap couldn't hold above this breakout level, coming back down. And tomorrow, if market is continuing, which I think it's going to continue to the downside, if market continues to the downside, Apple will go downside and probably take out this pivot low. It's going to be very ugly, because that pivot initiate this rally, and below this pivot we are going to test this 128, and here's the low, and probably Apple will going to the downside, probably 110 to 120, which is I've shown in the daily analysis, and probably sub 100. That's going to be the level for long position. So again, keep an eye on this. Apple is getting ready for another sharp sell-off, and we are waiting for that sell-off.
Not even we are having a put option, just because we will get back to this position, long position for Apple for long time. Okay. All right, so I think I've wrapped up everything. Please like this video, smash the like button if you like it, and if you want such this analysis. Have a good one. See you on the chart. Bye bye.